Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest.
Unsa kan ini siya nga place, Sir Moik? Isla Hardin? Kalimutan namin yung pangalan nito, guys. Basta sa Kaptagan. Yan o, yan ang Mount Apo. Anong masasabi mo, Sir Moik? Parehas sa makarelate sa Asik Falls ba, no? Okay ra gyapon day ang bayad nimo kay dako-dako ang pud iya lang gan i-invest nga. Ang yang lang design, no? Walang kapusti ang gituan, gitira. Oh, mga solar lamp lang ilang gamit ba, oh? Walay tiradan na diri, oh. Okay ra gyapon day, no? Duha lang kapusti gitira ba? Normal. Abos man ni. Kuan po ni bakal mo po ning gikan kani siya. Kuan man ni. Solar lang siya ba? Oh. Solar.
Ako sa bag mo.
Oh, sige, asa daw.
Guys, pagod na edition na
Uy. Maganda. Unsa ni sa kabulak?
lavender.
Ay, lavender. Isa nga lugar dari bay. Ani siya nga sakop, Bansala ni siya o Digos? Ay, Digos na din ni siya.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.